Hello everyone, welcome to Heavy Crypto, and yes, crypto arbitrage is in trouble.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens, God.
Because over the past few months I've been receiving a lot of messages from people saying that they have been scammed and they have lost a lot of money through crypto arbitrage, alright? So in this video I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about crypto arbitrage and how exactly you can avoid these scammers, alright? And also I'm going to show you how exactly you can identify legit exchanges and verify scam exchanges, alright? A lot of people are taking advantage of crypto arbitrage just because in order for you to profit in this market, you have to send from one crypto exchange to another crypto exchange, and scammers are taking advantage of this method because they are now creating their own websites and investments websites and stuff like that. So in this video I'm going to show you how exactly you can verify crypto exchange and protect yourself from being scammed. Especially for new beginners in cryptocurrency, you need to know that you are the only manager of your crypto. Okay, there's nothing like crypto manager and stuff like that. All those are BS. All right, so with that being said, let's get right into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is to avoid searching for crypto arbitrage opportunities on YouTube. Why? Because a lot of scammers are now creating videos showing you guys how exactly you can make money simply by investing and how exactly you can do these crypto arbitrage opportunities and stuff like that. All those are bullshit. You can see right here, this is a scammer. This is an example of a scammer telling you that you need to create an account on this exchange and then deposit some money right there, and in return you're gonna make a lot of money, right? And that's what he's telling you, and you can go ahead and watch the video is right here. And this is a scam channel, all right? This is a scam website and a scam channel, and I don't know why people are keeping on subscribing on these crypto channels and lose money. I am not attacking everyone, but this is the truth that people need to know. There's nothing like crypto investment, there's nothing like account management, there's nothing like crypto investment, all right? You are the boss of your own crypto. This needs to be said. And another scam is Telegram scam, all right? So a lot of people have been messaging me that saying that, hey, I've been scammed, and how exactly can I protect my crypto, or how exactly can I get my crypto back? I was like, no, there's no way you can get your crypto back. Once you send your crypto to anyone or any investment platform, forget your crypto, is gone. You're not gonna get it back, all right? And an example of Telegram scam is this one. You can read right here. He's saying that I honestly receiving 20,000 US dollars after investing 2,000 in something I never expected. Thanks for putting underlying smile on my face. You can join her Telegram channel via link. And if I go ahead and click right here this Telegram channel, you can see that it says top 10 global stock market. What are you talking about right now, bruh? You're saying that this is an investment website or investment, whatever you call it, and then it says stock market right here. I mean, it doesn't make sense, right? If this platform is about crypto, it should be about crypto. And you can see that this Telegram channel is named Top 10 Global Stock Market. Okay, I guess that this Telegram channel is all about stock markets and stuff like that. But however, this Telegram channel is also about cryptocurrency, which doesn't make sense at all. So if you're in one of these Telegram group, do yourself a favor, leave this Telegram group and block this Telegram group if you can, okay? Because these people just want to steal your money and make money off you. I've been in this crypto market for more than 6 years, and I know everything about cryptocurrency, and I'm telling you the truth right now. So let's go ahead. You can see right here they have their plans right here saying promotion and stuff like that. They're saying that invest 300 US dollars and you'll get 3,500 US dollars. What? This is a scam. Cryptocurrency does not work like this, okay? You cannot invest $300 and get 3,500 US dollars. It doesn't work like this, okay? And these are all scammers. If you are one of these groups, do yourself a favor and remove yourself from the group. That needs to be said. Alright, so another type of scam is crypto exchange scam. And yes guys, not all crypto exchanges are legit, okay? Some other crypto exchanges just want to make money off you, and I'll show you how exactly you can verify these crypto exchanges. I'll show you an example of crypto exchange that these scammers are claiming to be legit. Alright, you can see this crypto exchange is called BBEX exchange. All right, these scammers are saying that this exchange is legit. All right, and they have their prices right here, and this, to be honest, this crypto exchange is ugly. Legit crypto exchange doesn't even look like this. You can judge by its interface and stuff like that. Okay, So you can see they have their markets right here, and they have exchange and stuff like that. And right here is written get started. Doesn't have the policy, doesn't have everything at all. Okay, so you need to verify these crypto exchanges before you take advantage of this crypto arbitrage, because crypto arbitrage is all about sending cryptocurrency to another exchange and make profits. All right, especially for new beginners in cryptocurrency, you need to verify these crypto exchanges and protect your crypto. All right, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and search for this crypto exchange and verify if it's legit. Okay, it's called BBEX. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead to CoinGecko, or you can verify these crypto exchanges on CoinMarketCap. All right, if you go to under exchange right here, you can see that we have decentralized exchange, derivatives, and crypto exchanges. All right, if I click on crypto exchanges, it's going to show me all the crypto exchanges that are available right now. These are legit crypto exchanges and you can trust. All right, so these are all legit crypto exchanges. But however, if I go right here and search for, let's say, Bybit, all right, Bybit, you'll see that Bybit is actually a crypto exchange and is legit, is verified on CoinGecko. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and verify for this crypto exchange called BBX. All right, BBEX. Let's go verify it. BBEX. You'll see that BBEX does not even exist on CoinGecko. It's not an exchange, it's just a website. Someone created this website and they want people to send their money on this website, and once you send money to this website, you don't get back your money. All right, so this that crypto exchange and all those are. So if you search right here and see that the crypto exchange you searched is not available, then forget about that crypto exchange. Is a scam. All right, so I'm making this crypto video just to protect heavy crypto community. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and leave the like button for YouTube algorithm. You are supporting the channel as well. All right, so this is the type of scams that you need to avoid, especially in crypto markets. All right, therefore scammers are everywhere. Here are 6 things that you need to take note of in order to protect yourself from being scammed. Never trust any stranger who DM you first privately on any social media platform or anywhere. It can be on YouTube or on Telegram or on my Telegram channel. Even if they act like they are willing to help you in terms of crypto arbitrage opportunities and stuff like that, do not trust them. And never send funds to anyone or company claiming to double your trade, invest, or interest within 10 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, doesn't matter. There's no such thing as account managers and crypto investment and stuff like that. Those are scammers. All right, so this was a quick one. Protect yourself from crypto scammers and we shall all make money at the end of the day on this crypto space. Okay, make sure you join my Telegram group because that's where the source gonna be. All right, so let's take this trading to another level. Myself, I started trading with $300 and I ended up accumulating more than 15 bitcoins on this crypto space. All right, so it's really easy to make money on this space if you follow the right people. All right, all you need to have is right information and right tools that will help you to accumulate more bitcoins and make money on this market. All right, so this is it for today's video. My name is Arthur and this was a quick one. Therefore, I'll see you in another video. Love and peace, my friends.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take